Hello everyone, this video is from Root the Solution, and in this video the questions which we are going to cover are question number 7 and question number 8 of exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 integers of grade 7, and these questions are from the NCERT textbook. Let's start from question number 7. The question is, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check with the which of the following is a magic square. It means हमें सारी रो, सारे कॉलम और डायगनल सबका एक सम लेना है. अगर वो सम जब हम उसे प्लस करेंगे उसका जो सम आएगा अगर वो सब में सेम है तो ये मैजिक स्क्वायर है. अगर सब में एक में भी डिफरेंट हुआ सब में सेम नहीं हुआ तो ये मैजिक स्क्वायर नहीं है. Let's start from this. This is your row 1. This is your row 2. This is your row 3. पहले हम इन 3 का लेंगे. Then we'll start with column 1. This is your column 2 and this is your column 3. Then this is your diagonal. This is the diagonal 1. Diagonal 1 includes this one and this one. This cross. This cross is diagonal, right? This is diagonal 1. Then we'll start with this. This is your diagonal 2. Okay? So let's start. The first one. The first one is row 1. Row 1, it includes 5, minus 1, minus 4. When you'll solve 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Now let's start second row. Second row is minus 5, minus 2, plus 7. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Then third row. Third row is 0, 3 and minus 3. So 3 and minus 3 is again 0. Now we'll start with column which is up to down. First column 5, minus 5 and 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. We'll start with second column. Second column minus 1, minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Now we'll start with column 3. Minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. Minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is again 0. Now we'll start with the diagonal. Diagonal means the cross one. So the first diagonal contains 5, minus 2 and minus 3. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is again 0. Now our second diagonal which is minus 4, minus 2 and 0. Now when we will solve this second diagonal, it's minus 4 minus 2, it's minus 6. Minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. Now you just see in all the rows and columns and diagonal 1 the answer is 0. But in diagonal 2 our answer is not same, it's minus 6, it's different. You can see here our answer is 0. This answer is also same. This answer is also same in the row. Now column, this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. This is also 0, but here it should be 0 but it's minus 6. So this answer is not same. It means this square is not a magic square. Let's try one more. The second part of question 7. Now again we'll do it the same method. We'll start with row 1. Row 1 contains the number 1, minus 10 and 0. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Now row 2nd, minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 7 and minus 2 is minus 9. Row 3, minus 6, 4 and minus 7. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 7 is minus 9. Now we have done up with the row. We'll start from column. First column. Column means up to down. So it's 1, minus 4 and minus 6. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 6 is minus 9. Second one, second column is minus 10, minus 3 plus 4. So minus 10 minus 3 is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 4 is minus 9. And then that third column which is 0, minus 2 and minus 7. Minus 2 and minus 7 is minus 9. Now we'll take the diagonal, means the cross ones. So its first diagonal is 1, minus 3, minus 7. These are the number on the first diagonal. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 7 is minus 9. Now second diagonal. Second diagonal has the number 0, minus 3 and minus 6. So minus 3 and minus 6 is minus 9. So what we can see in this square is the result of this row is minus 9 everywhere. In the same manner in all the three columns the result is minus 9. In the same manner, the result of this diagonal, the sum of these diagonal is also minus 9. So the sum of all the rows, all the columns and the diagonals is minus 9. It means this is a magic square, right? Okay, now move on to the next question, which is question number 8. We'll start with the first part. Verify. वेरीफाई मतलब क्या होता है? वेरीफाई मतलब होता है कि हमें इसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ये इक्वल्स टू है, इक्वल्स टू के इधर वाला जो पार्ट होता है लेफ्ट में, इसे कहते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। इक्वल्स टू के राइट हैंड साइड जो पार्ट होता है उसे कहते हैं हम राइट हैंड साइड। सो वेरीफाई में हमें क्या प्रूव करना होता है? हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि इसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो हम सॉल्व करेंगे और जो हम इसका राइट हैंड साइड सॉल्व करेंगे, ये दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए। LHS equals to RHS. Let's start with the first one. हम पहले इसका लेते हैं LHS। LHS में हमें दिया है a माइनस ऑफ माइनस b। इसमें a की वैल्यू हमें दी है 21, b की दी है 18। हम पुट करते हैं वैल्यू 21 माइनस ऑफ माइनस, क्वेश्चन में दिया है, b की जगह हमने लिखा 18। अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में इसमें क्या दिया है? माइनस इंटू माइनस, राइट? सो माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस इंटू माइनस हो जाएगा हमारा प्लस। अब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे, माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप में? प्लस। फिर 21 प्लस 18 हमारा हो जाएगा 39। इसका मतलब LHS का आंसर आया है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का आंसर आया है 39। अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे राइट हैंड साइड। राइट हैंड साइड में हमें वैल्यू दी है a प्लस बी, तो हम a की जगह 21 लिखेंगे, b की जगह हम लिखेंगे 18। हम इसे ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर कितना आया? 39। इसका मतलब हमने वेरीफाई कर दिया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का आंसर भी 39, राइट हैंड साइड का आंसर भी 39। तो LHS equals to RHS दोनों इक्वल आ रहे हैं। इट मींस वी हैव वेरीफाइड दिस एक्सप्रेशन और इक्वेशन। नाउ सेकंड वन, let's move on to the second one. Here a is 118 and b is 125. Again we'll start with LHS. Expression is given a minus of minus b. Let's substitute the value. A would be 118 and b would be 125. So when you solve, again minus and minus would be plus, and when you will add them, you will get the answer 243. Now we'll start solving right hand side. So we'll write this expression a plus b. Instead of a, we'll substitute the value 118 and b will write 125. So when we'll add them, we'll get the value 243. Now you see left hand side also 243, right hand side also 243. It means left hand side is equals to right hand side, and that only we need to verify. It means we have verified this question also. Now move on to next part. The next part is third part where a is 75 and b is 84. Again, left hand side expression is a minus of minus b. Let's substitute the value of a and b as 75 and 84. Then again minus into minus would be plus, and when we'll add them, we'll get the answer 159. Now we'll start with right hand side. Expression is a plus b. So we'll substitute the value of a and b as 75 and 84. We'll substitute. Now we need to add. When we'll add 75 and 84, we'll get 159. So left hand side also 159, right hand side also 159, means left hand side equals to right hand side. That's why in this way we have verified this question, because in the question of verification we have to prove in an equation that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now the last part, this fourth part, left hand side again the expression is a minus of minus b. We'll substitute the value. A would be 28, b would be 11. So it would be 28 minus of minus 11. Minus into minus would be plus. Now when you'll add them, you'll get the answer 39. In the same manner, we'll solve right hand side. The expression is a plus b. And we'll substitute the value of a and b. A would be 28, b would be 11. So we'll put the value and then we'll add, we'll get the sum 39. So again the value of left hand side is 39 and the value of right hand side is also 39. Both are same. So it means LHS equals to RHS, and we have verified this expression also. Right? So in verification, in verifying the question, you have to always prove that left hand side is always equals to right hand side. Now, I hope you are clear with this concept, and in next video we are going to cover up question number 9 of the same exercise. Have a great day. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.